In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create and customize a professional business card using Canva. I'll start on the templates homepage, where I can see all the different design categories available. I'll scroll down to the Explore section and click on Business Card to see the full library. There are so many options to choose from, so I'll take a moment to scroll through the different styles and layouts until I find one I like. I've found a cafe-themed template that looks great, so I'll click on it to open the preview. Here, I can see the different paper and finish options, but for now, I'll just click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once the design loads, I can start personalizing the details. I'll click on the established date and change it from 2030 to 2026, and then I'll do the same for the text on the other side. Next, I'll select the main cafe name and type in my own, changing it to Healthy Cafe. I want a different look for the font, so I'll open the font menu on the left and browse through the styles. I'll try out a few different script options before deciding on this Australia custom font. Now I'll just adjust the size and placement to make sure it's centered. To update the imagery, I'll go to the Elements tab and search for cafe graphics. I'll find a new illustration that fits my brand better. Drag it onto the card and delete the original one. Now let's look at the colors. I'll click on the background and experiment with a few different shades, like purple and orange, before settling on a clean light cream color. To finish it off, I'll select all of my text and change the color to a dark gray-brown so it stands out against the new background. I'll do some final repositioning, moving the social media handle to the bottom corner and centering the main icon. With just those few changes, I have a unique professional design ready to go. Designing your own business cards in Canva is a fast and effective way to give your brand a polished look.